In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add contact on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up WhatsApp app, then go to chats and then tap at that icon at the top right. Then select new contact, and there first off we can enter a phone number, and then we need to name this contact. We can enter first name and the last name, and once we've done with that, all we have to do now is just tap at save to save that contact. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.